How to copy pivot table to another sheet in Excel. Sometimes you need the exact same pivot table on a new tab, so you can filter it differently without messing up your original report. But if you just copy and paste like a standard cell, you might lose the connection to your data. Today I'm showing you the 2 fixer ways to move or duplicate your pivot table to another sheet in under 2 minutes. Alright, and now method number 1, which is the move tool. So if you want to move the table entirely and not leave a copy behind, you can click anywhere inside your pivot table and then go to the pivot table analyzed on the top right here. And then click the actions button. Alright, so depending on the version, it can be a button. In my case, it's just a category. And then click on move pivot table. Right, and in here, a box will appear, and then just select new worksheet. And then click OK. As you can see, it's automatically applied, and it created down here a sheet number 5. Excel will instantly cut the table from your current sheet and paste it onto a brand new tab, keeping all your settings and data connections perfectly intact. Okay, now method number 2, the duplicate tool. So if you need a second version of the table to stay on a new sheet, you can just use a shortcut. So you can just navigate to your previous sheet. Let me find where is mine. This is mine. And then you can just choose with your keyboard Control-A, like this. And as you can see, I'm selecting everything. So if you click on it twice, the first time selects the data, and the second time selects the entire pivot table, including the headers as well. Alright, then you press Ctrl-C to copy and go to your new sheet. Click the cell where you want it to start. Right, so I'll just create a new one. And then just press Ctrl-V like that. And then you just press Ctrl-V to paste it all in. So once pasted, you can click inside the new table and check the field list on the right. Okay, and then if the fields are there, you've successfully copied the engine of the table, not just a static snapshot of the numbers. So that's it. If this Excel tip helped you organize your workbook, click like and subscribe.